Good morning, 7th class. We are doing exercise 14.2. Topic is rotational symmetry. When an object rotates, its shape and size do not change. ठीक है? When an object rotates, जब कोई object rotate करता है, घूमता है, then its shape and size do not change. Okay? देखो, like this. If this is the circle and if it is rotating, ये रोटेशन उसमें आ रहा है, घूम रहा है, then their shape and size will not change. ये उसी शेप में रहेगा और उसी साइज में रहेगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज the rotation turns an object about a fixed point. This fixed point is the center of rotation. Okay, he's saying कि when any object is rotating, then the rotation turns an object about the fixed point. This is the fixed point. जिस fixed point से वो rotate करना शुरू करता है. So this fixed point is called the center of the rotation. ठीक है, this is the fixed. ये change नहीं होता. This is called center of the rotation. Next, the angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. A full turn, means a rotation of 360 degree. What is the degree measure of the angle of rotation for a half turn, a quarter turn? Now he is saying that the angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. Means like this circle is rotating, so after rotation on which angle it will come, rotation के बाद वो जिस एंगल पर स्टॉप होगा, that angle is called angle of rotation. ठीक है. आफ्टर रोटेशन ये सर्कल जिस एंगल पे स्टॉप होगा, दैट एंगल इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन. नाउ ही इज सेइंग कि a full turn means a rotation of 360 degree. देखिए that here this is full rotation means this is called 360 degree. This complete angle will be 360 degree. ठीक है. If this circle is rotating like this here, then it is of 90 degree. ठीक है. This half means if it is rotating half, then this is half. Half of 360 is 180 degree. ठीक है. 90 plus 90 180. Then 180 plus 90, next angle will be 270 degree. This complete angle 270 degree, and next plus 90 again, then it will be 360 degree. This complete angle. ठीक है. Half means 180, quarter means 90, and complete angle means 360 degree. Now look at here. In a full turn there are 4 positions. ठीक है, that I told you. 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360. Now we will take one example. Look at this. This is a square. ठीक है. First square, we are folding square at 90 degree angle. This one side it is rotating, then next 90 again, then next third side 90, then fourth side 90, then it is complete rotating. If it is taking complete one round of rotation. Now we will take this one example. Here we have square. ठीक है. Here we have square with P point. Now देखो, we have to rotate this square. ठीक है. From P point we will rotate this. देखो P point now come here. ठीक है. Okay, we rotate this square little bit from 90 degree, then this P will come here. Okay, now in next step we will again rotate this square through 90 degree. देखो, now P was there, now in next step P is here. ठीक है, in on third step. Now in next step again we are rotating square. Rotate means हम इसको ऐसे घुमा रहे हैं. ठीक है, so when we will again rotate this square, then from this side P will come now here like this. It will turn from this side, it will go. Okay, now in next again when it will rotate, then ठीक है, when we will rotate this square again, then this P point will come here. Now this is the same position that we did on that we have on first step. देखो, same position P is now there. So we had rotated this figure square. Now some points are there. First is the center of rotation is the center of square. Center of rotation is the center of square. It means, look at here, this is the center. It remains same, है ना? When we rotating the figure, it will be same, and the angle of rotation is 90 degree, है ना? Now here the angle of rotation is 90 degree. देखो 90 degree. Then again on next rotation 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Now next, the direction of rotation is clockwise and the order of rotational symmetry is 4. देखो, the direction is clockwise. This step, this side, clockwise it is going on, है ना? And how many order of rotational symmetry is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means after 4 step it will come same position. ठीक है, after 4 steps it will come on same position. So this is the order of rotation of symmetry. Okay, now we will start exercise 14.2. Yes class, now we are doing exercise 14.2. First question is, which of the following figures have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? ठीक है, now we can rotate the figure clockwise also and anti-clockwise also. ठीक है, rotational symmetry means आपको फिगर को इस तरह रोटेट करके देखना है कि वो फर्स्ट फिगर जैसी सेम हो. देखो, look at this figure, this is circle. I am rotating this circle anti-clockwise. If I will rotate this circle anti-clockwise, look at here, this plus sign will come same, है ना, जो क्वेश्चन में था आपका. So this plus sign will come same. So this is the first order. In first order plus sign is coming same. So now here B is on bottom, D is here, A is right side and C is left side. ठीक है, D is on top. So देखो, look at this figure, D is on top, B is on bottom. Now B is on bottom, A is on right side, A is on right side and C is on the left side. देखो, like this we have to rotate this circle. When we are rotating this circle anti-clockwise, then same figure is coming. It means this is the first order of rotation. ठीक है, now what we do, देखो, one time it is rotating, now we will rotate next step next time like this. Now when we will rotate circle like this, then it is also same, जैसे पहले क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, बिल्कुल सेम shape and size is there, है ना. But now here C is on the top, A is on the bottom, D is on the right side and B is on the left side.
like this, है ना, same, but figure is same. Now after this we did this, left side we rotated, ठीक है, on bottom we rotated. Now on right side we will rotate. When we will right side, it circle will rotate, then again it will come same, है ना, same. So it means now in here B is on the top and D is on the bottom. देखो B is on the top, D is on the bottom, A is on left hand side, A is on left hand side, and C is on the right hand side. C is on the right hand side. ठीक है. Now after, देखो we did this one time, it is coming same. In second rotation it is also coming same. In third rotation it is also coming same, and now last rotation, fourth rotation, like this. So A B C D it is coming same. A B C D जैसा क्वेश्चन में था. It means on fourth rotation it is coming same figure. So this fourth rotation means 1 2 3 4. After one complete revolution, same figure will be come. So it means here how many rotational symmetry of order? 1. In one order it is also coming same, in second order it is coming same, in third order is also coming same, and in fourth also. So there are more than one order. So this is the figure, their rotational symmetry more than one order. Rotational symmetry कि after rotation, after every step of rotation the figure is coming same or not, that is given in starting. ठीक है. Now in every step it is coming same, so there are more than one rotational symmetry. Now look at the next figure. This is the triangle PQR. ठीक है. Now in this question, in this triangle, what we will see, look at the baseline. Baseline is straight. ठीक है. Now we will rotate this triangle. I am rotating this triangle anti-clockwise. ठीक है. Now rotate this triangle like this. We need base as straight line. जब तक base हमें straight line नहीं मिलेगा हम इसे rotate करेंगे. Now look at this. Now base is straight line, है ना. So Q is on the top. Q is on the top, देखिए इधर, and P is on right side, P is on right side, R is on left side, R is on left side. So this is the first order of rotational symmetry. Say figures are same. ठीक है. First हो गया, one order हो गया. Now we will rotate again. Now on base again we want straight line. Rotate it. Now here is what line is there? Here is on straight line. Base is straight line PQ, and R is on top. देखिए PQ is base, R is on top. Same figure is coming. This is an equilateral triangle, है ना. Same figure is coming. So this is the second order of rotation. ठीक है. Now we will do again. Complete करेंगे. Straight line we want on base. Again this base is coming as straight line and QR is base. So same, QR is base and P is on or top. Same figure is coming. So it means there are three order rotational symmetry of order. On first order there is same figure, on second order there is same figure, and on third order is also same figure. So there is more than one rotational symmetry orders. ठीक है. So this is the more than one. Now C part. Straight line and two boxes are on right side. ठीक है. चलिए, when we will rotate this like this, so boxes are coming down, it is not same. Now it will rotate like this. देखो, I will rotate like this. पहले look at there, line is straight and boxes are on the right side. We want same figure. ठीक है, चलिए rotate. Now I'm rotating this clockwise. Now it is on bottom boxes. It is not same, है ना? So rotate again. Line is straight but boxes are on the left side, but we want boxes on the right side, so it is not same. Rotate again. It is this sorry, after this, when we are rotating this, then this line will come like this, straight like this. It is not same, है ना? This is not same. Now rotate again. Now this is the straight line and boxes are coming on the right side. देखो, in first order it is not same position, in second order it is not also not same position, in third order also it is not same, but here on this number it is same. So only there is how many orders of rotational line symmetry? One. कंप्लीट इस वन राउंड लेने पर, मतलब इस स्टेप पर it is same. So don't cross it because this figure has not rotational symmetry order more than 1. Now D part. In D part, when you will rotate D part, this is not same, this is same, one order, then again not same, this is not same, now again and 2, यानी one time top से it will come same like this, and then when it rotate again, so from upper side it will come same like this. So there are 2 orders. ठीक है, so it is also, this figure is has rotational symmetry of order more than 2. Now this circle, look at this circle. There is top line, look at this straight line. This straight line is on the top and 2 lines is coming like this, slanting 2 lines. ठीक है, now we will check. We want this figure that a straight line will come on top and 2 slanting lines will come like this. चलिए we will check it. top पर हमें straight line चाहिए. Now देखिए, look at this figure. When we rotate this figure like this, straight line is coming on top and 2 slanting lines coming like this. So this is the one order. Now rotate again. देखिए, again top straight line is coming on top, 2 slanting lines are coming like this. This is the second order. Rotate again. Again same figure is coming. Straight line is on the top and 2 lines slanting lines. On third same figure is coming. 1 2 3, on 3 steps, first steps पे भी same figure है, on second step also same and third step also same. So in this figure has rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Same in F also. ठीक है, do F part yourself. When you will rotate this F part, तो same figures will come. देखो, here 1, this half fan is there, 3 are down. When you will rotate like this, it will come same. 1 is there, 3 are there. 1, second also same, third also same, and fourth also same. So there are also more than order, rotational symmetry of order more than 1. This figure is also. Now second question is, give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure. Now you have to give order. Now look at this first figure. ठीक है, now देखिए, this is the straight line. ठीक है, मैं इसको अपनी तरफ फिगर रख के कर रही हूँ. तो this is the straight line. This triangle is on the top triangle is on the right side and bottom triangle is on the left side. You want same figure. ठीक है, चलिए we will check. Remember this, top triangle is on the right side and bottom triangle is on the left side. I am rotating this figure clockwise. Rotate it. Now look at here. Straight line. Top triangle is on the right side and bottom triangle is on the left side. So this is the first order. Now rotate again. Okay, same position we are reaching that this top triangle is on right side and bottom triangle is on the left side. So how many orders we have taken here? 2 orders. So its answer is 2 orders of rotational of symmetry. Now look at the B figure. There is a X. This is angle of 80 degree. You know na vertical opposite angle. If this is 80, then this will be also 80 degree. Okay. Now we will rotate this. Clockwise I am rotating. देखिए. This is not same figure that is in the question. Rotate again. Now this is same. 80 is here, 80 is here. So this is the first order. In this order we are getting same. Now again on this order we are getting same. So there are 2 order of rotational symmetry. Okay. Now C part, this is the same that we did in B part. This is an equilateral triangle. So there will be 3 orders of rotational symmetry. Okay. Like this is, you can do like this. You want a straight line as a base. First is this. First straight line will coming as base. Second order, same triangle is coming, and on third order same line triangle is coming. So 3 orders are there. Now look at this D figure. This is also same like we did in F part. Okay. Chaliye, here this triangle is on the top, triangle is on the right side and bottom triangle is on the left side. Chaliye, start moving it. In first order, top triangle right side, bottom triangle left side. This is the first order, same position we are getting in first order. Now rotate again. In second order also we will get same position. Top triangle is on right side and bottom triangle is on the left side. In third rotation also same position is coming. A top triangle is on right side and bottom triangle is on the left side. Now on last position, fourth, same picture is coming. So there are 4 orders of rotational of symmetry. Now this E part you will do yourself. It is very easy. Now look at the F part. In F part, देखिए, there is 2 lines, slanting lines, and there is 1 straight base. Okay, we have to find this type of shape. So rotate it. 2 slanting lines and on the bottom straight line. चलिए rotate it. देखिए, 2 slanting lines, same straight base, 1 order. 2 slanting lines, straight base, second order. Again third order. Again fourth order, and last is fifth order. So there are 5 order of rotational of symmetry. This is regular pentagon. Now star, this is a star. So you can do this yourself. देखो बेटा, ऐसे you have to do. You can do this. Now I am telling H part. In H part there should be one leg on the bottom. ठीक है, we are starting. First order, leg is coming on bottom side. Second order, again leg is coming on bottom side. And this is the third order, leg is coming on bottom side. Okay, so you have to rotate the figures and tell the order of rotational symmetry lines.